Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Lifetime Travel Mates. My name is Haekyung and behind the camera is no one right now, but usually it's Jordi and together we are the Lifetime Travel Mates. And today we're going to make Squid Game LUNCHBOX. Yes, I know. We made a Squid Game LUNCHBOX on our previous episode. So if you want to check how to make Squid Game LUNCHBOX, please go ahead and check that video. We're going to make vegetarian Squid Game LUNCHBOX. Alright, are you guys excited? I'm super excited and hungry because it's a little bit over lunchtime. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, we're going to make 땅콩 조림. I put the peanut in water, left it for about an hour, and then it became really large, like almost like twice the size. So now it's ready to be boiled with soy sauce. It already smells good. Okay, I think the amount of water is quite less, so I'm gonna just put it a bit low. It's very good, very good. So let's give it a try. Smells really good. Sweet, salty. Nice. I gotta stop or I'm gonna finish it. Alright, so now let's make the stir-fried kimchi. The recipe is exactly the same as last time, but this time I'm gonna make just a smaller amount. Gotta make new kimchi. We only have this one. So instead of 1 cup, I'm using 2/3 cup. So let's cut the kimchi. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, this is so well fermented. Nice. And cut a bit more. Now let's stir fry. Oh my god, this smells so good. I think it's quite ready, so let's give it a try. Alright, so in Squid Game LUNCHBOX they use ham. But instead of ham, this is the vegetarian version, so I'm going to use this one, tofu. We need some special sauce for this, so let's prepare the ingredients first. Before that, we need to season the tofu first. One mistake that I did is that this tofu is for entrees, salads, and desserts. But I should have got something for stir fry, then it will be more firm. But this one is a little bit soft, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so let's leave this here while we prepare other ingredients. And we're gonna need spring onion. We already have spring onion cut, so we're gonna use some of these. Okay, and we need to chop chili. Alright, so now the ingredients are all ready, so let's make the sauce. So the sauce is ready. I have no idea how this would taste. Should I give it a try? Okay, just a little bit. It's not that spicy, and when I cook with tofu, I have a feeling that it's gonna taste much better. Well, this is a bit fail. The tofu is too soft for stir fry, it just starts breaking. So if you guys are gonna make tofu for lunchbox, please use firm one. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the sauce over the tofu. It's a lot of sauce. Well, actually this looks great. I mean, it also smells amazing. So we're gonna wait until the tofu soak all the sauce. And so much sauce left. I have no idea why. Alright, so the tofu is ready. So now let's mix all the ingredients together. We still don't have the metal lunchbox, so we're gonna use the same one we used last time, this bucket lock. We know it's not the perfect container for the lunchbox, but we don't have one, so we have no choice. Alright, last but not least, the fried egg.
Okay, so what is this time? Doshirak again?
Doshirak again, but this is a vegetarian.
Vegetarian?
Version.
Let's take a look.
Yes.
Oh! Okay, no ham, because it's vegetarian. Peanuts are still here. Let me try one peanut. Oh wow. Soy sauce? Nice. Kimchi? Tofu?
Yeah, I used the wrong type of tofu, which is so soft. So the texture might be a little bit different from like the ham kind of texture.
Yeah,
but
whatever.
Whatever.
It's different. And fried egg and rice. And I don't see anything
That's
else.
it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Just 4 ingredients.
Very simple. Yeah.
5. Yeah. Okay. Should I shake?
Yes. Give a shake.
Let's check it's well closed. Okay.
Wow.
I think it's very well shaken.
Oh my god.
It doesn't look very appetizing.
Oh, you know what? The reason is because of the tofu.
The tofu
is
broke.
so
Completely
soft.
broke.
So it's mixed all with the rice.
I must say, presentation-wise, it's not very good looking. But it's home food, it's all about the flavor, right? So I see there's an egg here, but you call it vegetarian. Is it fine to have egg? Anyway, you can just keep it, no? I mean, if you want to make it like completely vegan, just skip the egg and that's gonna be fine. Smells really good. That's it.
It can be also spicy, yeah?
I don't feel it very spicy, which is okay. A little bit spicy, which is fine. Kind of addictive flavor. It's very, how do you say, very soft. The only hard thing here is the peanuts.
Yeah.
And the tofu kind of melted and...
Oh the
It's not a fail.
tofu.
No, it's not a fail. It's not missing anything. I would say it's not too salty, not too spicy, not too sweet because there's some sugar maybe. It's not a fail, but I mean, look at this. You wouldn't put this photo of this on Instagram. It's nice. Flavor-wise, it's very good. It's kind of a kimchi fried rice.
Oh.
Without the kim, without the seaweed. Good stuff. It's nice, yeah. Or maybe I was very hungry.
Alright, so this is my lunchbox. It's smaller than Jordy's lunchbox. Alright, so let's shake it up.
Oh my god, it's heavy!
Oh my god. I've tried my best. Okay, let's see. I have a feeling that these eggs are not...
You didn't break the egg. You have to do it harder. Wait.
Wait. Let's
wanna
just
break it?
Break. I think the eggs are too... I think the other ingredients are... No, not
No.
really.
Because everything is too stuffed. You have to break a bit
Yeah.
and then shake it again.
Maybe I put too much rice.
Maybe. You're
Yeah.
hungry, yeah? Let me stop and shake it. Yeah?
La. Wow, it does look like some porridge or something.
Or vomit.
But actually, it smells really good. It smells really good. Mmm. Nice. Well, the tofu is not that disturbing.
No, the tofu is not prominent at all. Like, if it was ham, you notice the flavor. Tofu is kind of flavorless, this one.
The peanut, so nice. Kind of sweet and crunchy peanut, and of course the kimchi. Kimchi is the essential here. And then fried egg kind of balances everything. Very good. I mean, visually it's not that appealing, but flavor-wise it's very good. And the one tip is don't put too much rice, then it just softens all the other flavors, but very good. I'm really sad that we are finishing the kimchi, but we're gonna make another one. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you like this episode, please click like, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you won't miss any further episodes. Alright, so I will see you guys next time. Bye! 안녕! Make squid box. Oh no. We made a squid. Maybe.
Longer times. Side to side, up and down, flip it.
I'm sad that we're. Okay.